Circular Technology. So, in our lecture series for my subject, Design of Transmission System. So, in our previous lecture series, in this particular subject, we have seen about what are the importance given for design of any components. So, we have seen that what are the things we just want to use and how the design thinking framework which can be implemented each and every subject we are going to study in this in our curriculum. How we will be we can familiarize with these particular procedures and how the design data which we can be used for in design of any component procedures. So these are the things we have seen in our previous video. So today we are going to see that design procedure for particularly spur gear design. So we already know that. So design of each and every component, the design is very important. So in the transmission system, the gear is a very important element for transmission of the energy which can be transferred from one place to another place. So that is in the particular machine or any device, the source of energy which can be created in one place. So that the same energy which can be transmitted to another place by using the lots and lots of devices which can be used. So here the transmission elements also, these are the devices, they can be very much useful for transmission the energy from that example if you have taken an engine cylinder, the piston and engine, that mechanism which can be developed the source of energy. That normally the gasoline oils which can be pure into when that inlet through that inlet port, that gasoline oil which can be the space which can be provided in the engine cylinder. No? So that movement of piston movement, so that burning of that gasoline oils, like petrol and diesel, which can be burned in a high pressurized area during that spark ignition stage, which the point of which can be burning that the gasoline oil. No? So that time the emission of that smoke, that pressure which can be drastically which can be improved. So that time that energy which can that pressure which can be pulled down the piston, that upon down motion. So during those types of the movement, the reciprocating movement which can be connected through the connecting rod which can be connected in the camshaft. That camshaft which can be connected to that these are the transmission elements which can be used to transfer that particular energy to the wheels and what are the movement we just want to use now. So the back wheel or front wheel, the system of the movement. So that transmission, that transfer of energy, so these are the elements which can be used. So gear. So what are the amount of energy that the full energy not at all to transfer to the elements. So due to that, according to the application point of view, we just want to transfer the energy for the based upon the need. Okay, so that's why the gear design is very important. We already know that each and every vehicle designs and all, we need first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, like that, no reverse gear. So likewise, the categories are the gear design. So why we just want to need these types of classification needs based upon the torque and the speed. We need not at all the speed and the torque which can be commonly we are not using in the not all the places. We can use in the different speed and different torque in each and every places. So that's why the gear component design is it will be plays a very important role in the engine component designs and all. So that's why the gear is very important. Okay. So here we are going to see the based on the design procedure how it can be implemented through the design procedure in the problems. Okay, we just want to see the problem, and we already know that how we just want to take the data from the design data. So that is also very important. Okay, so here in this problem, each and every problem they are given in the very practical way. It's a compressor point of view, and the rolling machine, aluminum rolling machine, like that. Each and every based on the application they are given. Okay, so let me see one by one. Okay, so the design procedure in our coming video.